Hey there beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I just arrived at my studio, got the lights on, and now I need to get ready for my 2 facials today. My first friend is a musician friend of mine who plays saxophone. Her name is Sarah and she's in one of the coolest bands ever called The Operators. So if you're a fan of ska music or you like those kind of vibes, I'll leave a link below in the description for you. I also need to put some samples together for a couple clients of mine, including a bride that I had yesterday for her trial. She has a little bit of dry skin, so I kind of want to try to repair her barrier a little bit more before her wedding. So I have some new sample containers, so I'm gonna unwrap them and hopefully get some footage of me putting all that together for you guys. So I'm excited for today's vlog. Thanks again for joining me. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the room ready for Sarah and get my towels nice and hot and get her products ready for her.
Alright, so I'm done with Sarah's facial, and then I ate some lunch, and then I packed up some sample packs for a couple of my clients. So next is my acne facial, and she should be here like in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna finish getting ready for her, and then that'll be the day. So I'll check back in with you guys here in a minute.
Well, that's it for today's vlog. I've run out of room on the camera and the battery is almost out, so I have to finish it here. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you go ahead and like that and subscribe to my channel for more weekly vlogs. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.